In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft OneDrive using the run command. If your OneDrive isn't syncing, files seem stuck, or the cloud icon has gone missing, a quick reset often clears things up without touching your files. We'll walk through a simple safe reset using the built-in run tool in Windows, and I'll explain what to expect along the way so you know it's working. First, open the Windows search and look for the Run app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and typing the word Run. When you see the Run app in the results, open it. A small window will appear with a single text field labeled Open. In that box, carefully type this command exactly as you hear it. See what program files? Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.exe/reset. Double check your spacing and spelling, especially the word OneDrive and the / before the word reset. Getting the path right matters because there are spaces in the folder names and a small typo can prevent the command from working. Now press enter. Don't worry if nothing obvious happens right away. Behind the scenes, Windows will close the OneDrive process and start a reset. You may see the OneDrive cloud icon disappear from the notification area near the clock. That's normal. If File Explorer was showing OneDrive status badges on your files, those may momentarily vanish as well. That's a sign the reset is underway. Next, wait for it to load. This means giving Windows a moment to stop OneDrive, clear its cached state, and prepare a fresh start. You don't need to click anything here, just let the system work. Depending on your computer's speed and how much OneDrive data you have, this can take a minute or two. Then wait for it to reset completely. You'll know it's done when the OneDrive cloud icon reappears in the notification area and begins showing a spinning sync symbol or a brief signing in message. After that, the icon should settle into a steady state. If you open File Explorer and select OneDrive on the left, you should see your files with status indicators returning as syncing resumes. This is expected and may take longer if you have a lot of files or if your internet connection is busy. That's it. By opening Run, entering the reset command, pressing enter, and patiently waiting for the process to finish, you've performed a clean OneDrive reset. This resolves many common sync glitches while keeping your files intact. And it's a great first step whenever OneDrive